Hi, this is Bill. So on this demo, we are now on the subject of sharing reports. So basically what this covers is it will help you configure who can see or cannot see within your team, or basically it controls confidentiality. That's one of the main points here. And what people can do and cannot do within your team. So you will see here, right, and the report designer, then you will be able to, right, and configure on who will be able to view the particular report, right? So either just to yourself, to anyone, or a number of users. So basically, you will see the out of the box, right? So on the wizard, later on, I'll be showing you a demo on how to do it, right? So you have the control of making sure who to whom the report will be visible, right? So a good example here is just to yourself, right? And if you move to everyone, right? So if you leave the box empty of roles, then automatically all ServiceNow users, right, will be able to view the report. So basically, in reflection, is not only the technical aspects. You need to ask the right questions, right? So the owner of the data, right, it could be a business unit, basically, where you are pulling a particular reports, right, or fields and information, right? So they are basically the owners of information, and they will get to decide, right? Is it to be shown to everyone? And technically speaking, so you could filter out by putting everyone and requiring a role. So this will come back on your skill set on user administration. So which is a separate topic. I create a separate topic for that one. So where here you could specify, right, within a group or user. So although it gives the groups and users access. So if you provided a user access to this one, or a role, right? I mean, a user, right? So they will have access to this report. So even though you could give access to a user, I'll always recommend, right, to use the groups, right? So I've discussed that from a previous lesson, right? And on that previous lesson, basically gives you the ability on how to create users and groups. So I'll add that to the end of this video, where you could basically find on how to create users and groups in ServiceNow. So take notes of these rules that are mentioned here, because ServiceNow has basically pre-created some rules already. And if you're not using admin and you're only being given report admin, so because the admin in ServiceNow has the superhuman rights. It has access to all. If you don't have access, you could add access yourself. And if you have a team of report developers, you could just give them much lesser access. And for example, it's specific to report. They could be admin, not a super admin. And you could just give them a report admin type of role. And that is very useful in making sure you get to put or ring fence, or you're ring fencing the rights and the authorization of your developers. And there's some tips here. These are another important tip, right? So you can only share options, right? Sharing option is only allowed per report, right? So you could be granular, right? So the granularity is very important. And as you basically looking at the possibilities of what is the out-of-the-box features of ServiceNow. So take note of this points here mentioned, right? And as we move forward, you will see here another limitation of being a report developer. So you can always come back to this reference article as your Bible, right? And on the next video, I'll be showing you an exercise, and I always recommend to get your hands dirty and making sure and trying different combinations, right? So you get to have more experience on creating reports. And on this session is how to share reports to the right people and to the right team. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.